guys, welcome to Charlie Bird's Drawing Show. And if you want to go to Christmas coming up and we're going to draw Santa. Okay, we need his white nose, then his mustache, then his big beard, then his head, then his face, then his eye, then his eyebrow, then his Santa hat, and his top of his Santa hat, then his body, and then his, I'm not sure that thing is, then his belt, then his legs, then his boots or shoes, then his hands, then his arms, then his mouth, now let's colour him in. A red for his Santa hat and his t-shirt, then dark green, people won't see that green because I can cover it. Then his face, then yellow for his middle of his mouth, and then red, then orange for his tongue. Enter close. Goodbye, subscribe.